guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and we are on a 2019 60th anniversary SPX 230 from Sea Ray. Nice integrated swim platform. This does have the manual fold-down swim platform. Great place to sit, float, hang out. Everybody's hanging out, floating in the water, coved up. Port side walk-through. Tower. We've really well equipped this boat. Fusion upgraded stereo system with subwoofer. You've got a couple of coolers inside this boat. You've got a removable under here, and you've got a built-in cooler under here. Two really nice captain's chairs. A Simrad 9-inch Go 5 screen. So it's going to have your GPS inside of there. It's going to have your Mercury engine information inside of there. You've got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Really cool blue LED lighting throughout the boat. One of the really cool things on this boat is the flooring. So it's the snap in, snap out Photique flooring. So instead of the seagrass or the carpet, it's nice, it's cushiony, easy to clean. Small head for those emergency purposes out on the water. And as with all of our SPX models, we've got a large bow area. So lots of room for several people to hang out up here, whether you're sitting, you're lounging. Upgraded Fusion system, nice stainless steel grab handles. I'm Chris Harding. If you have any other questions on this boat, this Sea Ray SPX 230, or any other boats we have in stock, give us a call at 972-436-9979, or you can visit us on our website at MarineMax.com. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you.